It's Hanging with KH. How y'all doing today? So, we got a present. Well, ACME Mowing got a present from Super Clean today, and I wanted to show y'all all the neat items that we received. So, take a look. See that? We have here foaming, Super Clean foaming. It dissolves grease. Super easy, super fast. We have a spray Tough Task Cleaner degreaser. We've got floor absorbent. This will be cool in the shop. And we have more big jugs, refills of the big jugs of Super Clean. Yay, Super Clean, I can't wait. So I'll get another video out soon. I have to figure out what I can clean that won't make it look like I'm just a big pig. So we will talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.